schedules allow you to book a slot over a period of weeks, and they're defined within the resource management. To select a different schedule, it's a case of clicking on schedule and then just choosing the schedule that you're interested in. For example, we could flick over to term 1, or we could change over to term 2. So this is the course timetable for computer hardware for beginners in term 2. But in term 1 it looks different. Now you'll notice that in some of the green cells we have bold text, and in the other cells we have normal text. Now the bold text means that the slot that's there fits in exactly into the selected schedule, whereas the normal text does not. So for example, we know that this computer systems here and this computer systems here fit in exactly with term 1's schedule. So what about these slots here? Well, the way to find out which schedule they belong to is to just flick through them, and one way to do this is to flick through the schedules by pressing the up arrow and down arrow on the keyboard. Now we notice here with this selected schedule that on Wednesday's computer systems they go bold. This means that these slots belong with semester A. At the bottom of the screen you can see all of these dots. This is the schedule scanner. Wherever there's a green dot, it means that the selected schedule will apply for that week. In this case, the 6th of September 2009. So on these two yellow dots here, that means that the schedule does not apply, and the reason why is that there's a half-term break here. So we can find out the dates by just hovering our arrow over that cell. And it will also show us the view of what the timetable will look like for that week that we're hovering over. So if we flick over to term 2, we'll see that the green and yellow dots will change on the schedule scanner. And now we can see that the green slots have been moved over here, with some yellow slot breaks in between. And when we hover over them, the timetable's clear. Now sometimes the schedule scanner may show a red dot in a particular week. And what that means is that the selected course, instructor, room and schedule are not able to be booked in with any of the template booking cells that are available for that particular week. It's very rare that you'll see that scenario, however, and it may just mean that you've got to change a room in order to book in on that specific schedule. There may be times when we need to use a temporary custom schedule. For example, we need to book into room 302 on a Friday morning within term 1. On clicking term 1, I have the schedule scanner set up with these green dots. Now I can move my mouse across them to find when that room is available. So it looks like that the room is available on the 18th and on the 25th of October. So what I can then do is move on to a custom schedule and select the 18th and 25th, and then place my bookings just for those 2 weeks.